Yeah, guys, it's Kondipress here again. In our last module, we are able to add this music of the week, so we are going to continue modify our website. So this is it's just an advert which bring it there by the. This is just an advert which bring it automatically by the theme that we install. So later in the day, we are going to modify this advert and put another advert. I will teach you how you can put another advert here. So, but for now, let's just modify the next blog. So from Nigeria Loaded, now this side we have after you see them, they have advert too. So after their advert, they have their music of the week. We have our own before the adverts. Does not matter what matters, and they have their trending song. The trending song now. So trending song, I want to do my trending song, and so from here I will choose blog. So I can even make my trending song to look like this. It does not matter what matters. I can just choose the heading because I like the round circle which automatically bring by the distance. So let me just change the heading to which is the name is Flexbox 1. So the heading to be trending song. Okay, trending song. I've already tried something like that before. So the block head and the header block, I do like this 8 and like the 15. So yeah, I like that 15, and I want the color to be black. Should I choose black? Okay, since we should be working with our brand, so most of our color we are choosing green and white and little bit of black. So I will still modify everything in our website so close to this deep green. I'll modify that later. The text color is white, which is FF. So and I have this. So what we are going to do is that since we want to filter only music, we have to choose category. We go to general, and after in the general now, this way you can modify the layout, the number of posts you want to display, the dates, modify all the necessary information here. You can modify your post here. The same thing on the filter now. This way you can modify the filter, the one that is going to display out in your blog section. So we select the category of music since we are only selecting trending songs. So it's only one that have music that we display in this side, and so we can sort it by dates, by alphabet, by the most popular, by the most random, popular of all time, date modified, the oldest. So it's good, the most commented, because it's like the trending one means that the one that people comment more on, and it's under music. So you can just leave it to the latest, and let it be just music latest. So the same thing, you can let people preview it, filter by type. This are just preview, and you can add your preloading content. It's optimized preloading or load all, no preloading. You can put pagination, which can be the pagination is what will be below here. This is the pagination for now. This is just, it's in next and preview. You see it's next and preview. So that is that about pagination. And in the layout, you can design the layout here. Different block or flex have their own different design. So but almost similar. They have almost similar design. So you can choose it. You can choose the image size, how you want the image to be like. They choose 150 by 0. You can modify any one that you want. Make it smaller, make it bigger. If you like this 150 by 0, that is the one that I choose. You can, when they hover on the image, you can add an effect to it that is a shadow. So it just depends on what you want to achieve. But I'm cool with this trending song design. So that is that about that. Yeah, we still have something left in this side. So which is the, what did they call their own in Nigeria Loaded? Okay, Nigeria Loaded is see more song, which is like a button. Okay, load more button. So trending post. Okay, let me just add that trending post to that side so we know we are good to go. So I will change this now to trending post. and under this it's still Flexbox 1, but so trending post. So I choose trending post, and I'll choose the filter by what category, and all. I want all categories, and here Flexbox 1. I'll scroll down. The number of posts, this one you can make it to be any number that you want. I want this number of posts to be 10, so that is 10 that is going to filter out. So the first 10 that I choose based on my selection. So I want this block header 15. Yeah, I like that 15. The color, the text color white. You know how we do it. So the background color green. I like this deep green. Good to go. And that is trending post. I want to filter it out by the most popular. So under filter category, by what? By popular of all time, or popular in the last 7 days, and random post today, random in posting. So let me just put popular, so that we filter the post that is popular of all time, the one that people have viewed more, the one that. So there are many ways you can filter a lot of things out here. You can filter by tag, you can filter by category, you can filter by anything. So let's just save it. So now I have saved it. Make sure you click on save every time you make a changes. It's very good. So we have trending post here, we have trending post there. It's not making sense. Let's just change this one to popular post then. Popular post. So popular. So, and you know, we even filter by the popular of all time. So category, filter popular by all time, which is the popular post that will be here, and all categories should be from all category. It's cool. So we just make save the changes again. So now what I want to do is that I don't want to be seeing all these comments, the comment count, and the comment count here, the post date, everything, just like Ninja Loaded. In Ninja Loaded, there's nothing like their comment count in all their posts. They just have their post title, and see, they just have their post title and the time they publish it. So what I will do is that I want us to do that, and see post title. So now let's just move to our post. Yeah, I put the pagination to next and preview. Why Ninja Loaded have their own to be so more song, I will just change that to button and make it let me just say load more button. You can put an infinite loop. Infinite loop will be there, like it will be loading every time to the end. So let's just save it. Load, I think load more button is okay with me, and you can modify this button depending on what you want to do. So let's just change all this comment and this. So from here you move to your back end. Make sure you are in the admin back end. You go to the theme panel. This way we are going to modify our post, what you want to display there, and what you want to display. So from the post you come to block setting. Yeah, on the block setting now you have it, everything. So you are going to select thumb, which is display. These are our different thumbnail that we have. It's advised you just on all this. Excuse me, just on all this. Make sure all this design is on. If you remember, we come on the first one when we did slider in one of our module, and so we are good to go. So under meta information and module, click on it. So that is the place that show everything that we don't want to show. We don't want to show review, we don't want to show post count, and we don't want to show date modify, we don't want to show the author. We just want to show maybe the date of the post, just like Ninja Loaded have their dates in the blog. This one, they have date of the post 8 hours ago, 17 hours ago, something like that. Or even though we don't want that, you can still like not display that, but let's just leave that. Let's save changes, and hola, everything saved. We have to reload our website, delete cache. If you see that here we have the title, we have the comment count, so let it reload first. See now, we don't have the comment count, we only have the date of the post which I leave. We only have the date of the post which I leave, and it's cool this way. I think it's cool this way. So here too we have it, music of the week, we just have the date, so we are good to go. And what we are going to do is that in the so this is our blog. Guys, I think you already have a blog, you just need to modify some stuff to make it look finer. So let's go back to our theme editor, and here it's still there, so let's just reload it. Let's open new. So now, like I want to teach you how you can make the website responsive. What I mean by responsive is that so you can have some design on your on mobile and on desktop, on different area of it. So now let's assume I don't want to display this specific image on my mobile devices. You understand? So you can just click on it here, and preview. You can check all the preview in all the devices. This is where you can check the preview how it will look like, preview on the mobile. So you see the image here, it's on the mobile, it drop down. So but I don't want to display this on mobile. You can just easily click on the mobile and then move to CSS. So anything you want to do under your CSS, you will now scroll down, you will see display, which is so you can hide it. If you put it on hidden, this will not display on mobile, and I save it. If I save it, so as everything show now, you see on our it's saved now. You see on the mobile it's not displaying. So but if you move here, see the image is here, the image is here, the image is here. But if you are on mobile, it's going to disappear. So it's not displaying on mobile. So you can easily on it back by say show. So if there's something you want to display on mobile, and click on save, and you don't want to display it on the desktop. So if you can see now, you see on our mobile we are still having we have not uploaded the menu for our mobile, the logo. You see we are still having the old logo in the mobile. So this is how you can modify for different mobile and desktop. So for the best option, now let's just check, maybe we are still having the same. Okay, our menu is cool, but on the mobile, let's change our logo for mobile here. Click on the element, and general header logo, and we remove the one that is there before, and we upload our own. We already have our own inside the gallery before, so which is we use this, and so yeah, we have it here. So we save it. So we have our menu. Yeah, this is how it's going to look like in the mobile. We are cool with this mobile, and that's how you can modify anything you want to modify, either on mobile or on desktop, anything. So just it's best to check it on your mobile version too of the app, and see how it's going to look on mobile devices. So I think it's cool. Or if you are on scroll, see now the menu is this, but if you are on scroll, I think they have another logo there. So on scroll again, you select it, you change the header logo on scroll. So you have to just check everything and see or find a way to change all the necessary aspect of it on scroll. You have this, you save it, and you save. So I have my brand there, I've already have it, I've changed everything to my style, both on scroll and on normal, fine. If you don't want this background, you can easily change the background, the header background. That is the whole row, that is the whole row background. So if you want to change the background, you go to CSS, I click on the row now, CSS, and you scroll down, you will see something like background. This is the image that is there, this image. So if I don't want image, I just want it plain, then you just choose background color, make it plain color, black. So let me just select my black. So I'll just select black. So So everything should be black. Okay, I'm cool with that. So that's how you can modify everything. You can modify. You can easily see it in all these places: devices, layout. Depending on what you want to do. So save it. Yeah, it's important now. If you see now, if you're on Ninja Loaded and we scroll, we keep scrolling, you see this one is fixed there. It's fixed. So if you are scrolling up, down, so we can make this post fixed. So you can just go to your editor and let's make sure we're on desktop and click on what you want to make fixed. For example, I want to make the last, this last popular post, I want to make it fixed. You click on it and click on column. Make sure you click on column, and on the column you see sticky. So it is sticky automatically. So if you can make it sticky, it will do automatically as long as you are scrolling. Make sure you save changes as soon as you make any changes. And I think for now we are good to go. In our next episode, I'm going to teach you how to, since we have already created all this page here, how we can modify our about page and contact page.